track even for under 18 boys and girls.
Hene ka singa khat wei tare ujamang 8,000 arpo ar la play ka district level inter school athletic meet hakyang nangba stadium dong mi singi jowai da additional deputy commissioner West Janta Hills Shri PK Boro ubawan kumukong san hakane ka singi harangkat ka jingdon lang ka district school education officer ka kong peace aim district sports officer uba ke pasa kidukhat ka West Janta district sport association kinong hikai bat ki khna school na ki school ba pher habakran hakani ka singi upike boro ula aiman cm ki khna ba shimbanta haka jingela ka sport ba pher bakin le ekaba bhae
take part in this inter-school athletic meet 2022, respected and invited by the Road Beach Women Games committing ourselves to support beach out, looping and beach out, drop the road feature of sportsmanship or of the glory and the honor of our team.
You must know there is failure and success in each game. Try hard, be disciplined. If you are successful, you are going to get a team in this at a higher level. The moment you become very successful and able to get the laurel, your name and your friend will be able to fly.
Kelas apa?
Your attention please. Untuk kembali
In the past 2 years, we are facing a very unfortunate challenging time due to the spread of the coronavirus. In these very hard times, we are not being able to organize any important championship which became a great loss to many sport persons as well as the association as a whole. But however, I am very satisfied to see the rapid